Another type of product that Cartify supports is quantified products, such as fruits, vegetables, and cereals. These products are specified by their weights. This product type supports both brand and category. First, let's add or specify the brand and category for a product. Okay, let's add a new quantified product. First, assign a brand and category. Next, include additional details such as price, label, units, and any other relevant information. There are a few important notes to consider. 1. Alarm notification. If there is a specific notice or alert for a product, make sure to add it in this section. This will ensure that users or operators are informed when they select these products. 2. Unit specification. If a unit is based on kilograms, the software will automatically calculate the weight in other sections based on kilograms, and vice versa. This ensures consistency and accuracy in measurements. Perfect. Let's add more product.